So you want to start a food recipe blogs just like this, just because you don't want to show face or make video content and you rather want to write blogs. What if I told you you can use AI SEO writers and within a one click you can generate an entire article? And not only that, you don't need to have any ideas. I will even show you how you can turn a single YouTube video into a blog article. Okay, now I want to introduce you Journalist AI, which is of course best AI SEO writer, just because which is a best AI SEO writer in an industry, just because it has a lot of features. Now I have talked a lot about this in my previous videos. Now today I want to show you how you can simply take one keyword and go to the Journalist AI, and here you can simply choose SEO article and here input the keyword. You can leave the title or give it your own title, but I'm going to leave it open, and then I'm going to click on add keyword and it will add the keywords in a queue, and then it will prompt me to generate article. Now I simply have to click on generate article and it's gonna write an entire article under a minute. Now if you want to know a secret feature which is recently added to the Journalist AI, you just have to simply click on video which you want to write blog on, and you can copy this URL right at the top and then go to the Journalist AI, click on add to go to the articles. Under the articles you will get an option called YouTube to blog post, and here you have to simply enter the YouTube URL and then click on add video, and then you will be again prompted to generate article, and then you have to simply click on generate article and it will do the things automatically for you. Now if you're not using AI, it's 2025, it's AI revolution. If you're not using AI to write blog articles, then you are staying behind than more other bloggers just like me who is using AI to write articles and automate. Okay, now of course you have to cross check, because sometimes there will be a rate limit and then you have to see if the content is actually humanized or not. Now you can see the article is done and you have to simply click on the article and it will open up the preview blog. Okay, now you can read through, because I already know it's a great article. Journalist AI writes the best article, and then you can also see I think it would be more than 2000 words, and then at the end it even added the FAQs. So let me just see. Yeah, it even added the FAQs. Not only that, if you go to the blog automation, click on integrations and click on create integrations, you can see right here you can directly post from Journalist AI to whatever the CMS software you are using. Even with the custom APIs, if you're a developer, you have a great extended features right here. Okay, you can establish a connection with your website wherever the website is hosted. Okay, and this is also an article which is generated by using YouTube video URL. So you can see it is clean, and the YouTube video URL, it would be less because based on the transcript, based on the video length, but yeah, you can elaborate. It just gives you an outline of what the content should be, and you can see right here meta description and title. So even with a featured image, I would use my own images rather. Okay, so with that being said, this is Journalist AI. I will leave the link in the description and you will get it free articles. Okay, you will also get it 10% off. So like this video and drop a comment.